या ठिकाणी गिरिवनवासी प्रगती मंडळ ही संस्था माननीय पद्मश्री कैलासवासी करमशीबाई जेठाबाई सोमय्या यांनी स्थापन केली। या ठिकाणी आदिवासी जनतेची सेवा घडावी, त्यांना रोजगारीचं साधन उपलब्ध व्हावं आणि त्यांच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना शिक्षण मिळावं म्हणून या पारडी गावामध्ये त्यांनी ही नरेशवाडी या संस्थेची या ठिकाणी स्थापना केली।
And we have right now almost 770 children studying in our school. For residential part we have got 450 students.
विद्यार्थ्यांना स्पोर्ट्सचं देखील या ठिकाणी शिक्षण दिलं जातं। संगीत क्लासेस त्यांना त्या ठिकाणी शिकवले जातात। संगीताचं सुद्धा शिक्षण या ठिकाणी दिलं जातं आणि वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे उपक्रम या ठिकाणी राबवले जातात।
नमस्ते, माझं नाव चांदनी रमेश तिवारी आहे। मी इयत्ता 10वीमध्ये शिकते। आमच्या शाळेत सगळ्याच प्रकारच्या सुखसुविधा भेटतात। मी लहानपणापासून इकडेच राहत आलेली आहे। मला आईवडील नाहीत, पण इकडे आमच्यासारख्या अनेक मुलं राहतात। त्यांची काळजी चांगल्या आईवडिलांसारखी घेतली जाते। त्यांना सगळ्या प्रकारच्या सुखसुविधा दिल्या जातात। मला डॉक्टर व्हायचं मोठं होऊन, तर मला नक्कीच वाटतं करून मी नक्की डॉक्टर होऊ शकेन, कारण की आमची शाळा इतकी चांगली आहे की सगळे प्रकारचे आमच्या इच्छा ज्या अपेक्षा असतात ते सगळे समजून घेतले जातात।
We have got our tribal staff cooking food for our children during the school hours. Gas cylinder combined with firewood we used to cook food. There was not an issue. Real problem started when we were suddenly asked to shut down on gas cylinders. And suddenly we found that there is a lot of requirement for firewood.
पूर्वी लाकडावर जेवण व्हायचं आणि लाकडापासून खूप धूर व्हायचं, भरपूर लाकडं लागायचे, लाकूड तोडायला माणसं पण मिळायची नाही।
We were searching for alternative cooking methods, and it all started 1 year back when we had Dr. Patricia and Vishal sir coming on the campus and doing brainstorming sessions for alternative media of cooking.
या ठिकाणी संस्थेने प्रयत्न करून एटी ही या संस्थेमार्फत आमच्याकडे एक सोलर कॉन्सन्ट्रेटर त्या ठिकाणी बसवलेला आहे।
I am a member of AT Enterprises. Here at Nareshwadi Learning Center, Dahanu, we have installed a ATE solar concentrator of 25 square meter aperture area with optimized steam cooking system. Here customer uses this solar concentrator for steam generation, which is used for cooking purpose. It is a 2-axis tracking system which tracks the sun such that mirror reflects the sunlight exactly to the center of receiver. The receiver is a kind of boiler which converts the water stored in it to steam. The water required in the receiver is automatically pumped by DC feed water pump. It delivers around 100 kg of steam at 140 degrees Celsius per day. The dryness fraction of the steam is more than 85%. So the nominal output from the solar concentrator is 60,000 kilocalorie per day. This system is fully automated with several levels of safety interlocks. Anyone who can operate ATM or mobile can operate this system easily. This steam produced is transferred via insulated pipes to custom designed steam cooking system. We have specially designed 2 non-jacketed and 1 jacketed cooking vessel for steam cooking. The non-jacketed vessels are used to prepare rice and the jacketed one is used to prepare dal and curries. The design of cooking vessels is such that it reduces the cooking time and facilitates serving procedures.
इथे आम्ही ते जेवण शिजवायचं काम करतो मुलांसाठी. डाळ, भात, भाजी सगळं करतो. आता उचलायला नाही लागत. आता बरं पडतं. साफसफाई पण लवकर होते. चांगलं आहे ते. टोपापेक्षा हे चांगलं आहे.
Operational ease and safety of the customer are the two prime factors while designing such vessels. ATE Enterprises has also provided insulated storage tanks for hot water storage, which stores the water at 95 degrees Celsius, which can be used for early morning or late night cooking purpose. Previously, the school used low efficiency wood fired chulas. The consumption of wood was approximately 200 kgs per day, which is equivalent to 2 acres of dense forest area per year. The women cooking using these chulas were subjected to unsafe environments due to excessive smoke and pollution. They had to deal with eye and throat irritation due to the smoke created.
पहिले लाकडावरती शिजवायचे. फार धूर लागायचा. आता हे सोल्डरवरती तर बरं पडते. लवकर होते. पहिले लवकर होत पण नाही. संध्याकाळ होते करायला. आता हे सोल्डरवरती चांगलं लवकर होते पण लवकर घरी पण जातो.
The integration of the solar steam system by ATE Enterprises in the school has ensured that the consumption of the wood is reduced to almost negligible. Also, school has managed to save on approximately rupees 30,000 per month spent on wood.
Dependence on firewood has come down drastically. By this, there will be some sort of break on deforestation. Now, idea was to have a cooking media. Really, we underestimated as far as solar is concerned. Now we can cook our complete requirement on solar, and the food tasted absolutely something different, better than what was being cooked on firewood. And of course, last but not the least, I really thank the entire ATE team who is always there for us.